I never knew such a day would come, and I never knew such a love could be inside of one. And I never knew what my heart was for, but now that you're here, I know for sure. Ooh, yeah, I never knew till I looked in your eyes. Oh, baby, I wasn't complete till the day you walked into my life. And I never knew that my heart could feel so precious and pure. Your love so real. Can I just see you every morning when I open my eyes? Can I just feel your heartbeat sitting inside me every night? Can I just feel this way together till the end of all times? Can I just spend my life with you?